Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing a shark. Are you ready?
Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, can you say hi?
Hi!
Valentina and I were gonna draw today a shark for one of our favorite series of books. Is called Narwhal and
Jelly. I'll show you. Let me just get it. So we're drawing the shark. I'm going to show you it. We're drawing the exact same thing as this. The exact shark.
These books are super fun. I'm gonna leave a link in the box below for you to find these books. These are super fun. If you have not read them, we really recommend them. So let's start this picture in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is the mouth of the shark, okay? So what are we gonna do here is we're gonna start with kind of like a V shape, and this is gonna be like a sideways V shape. So let's put here in the middle of the paper. So the middle is here and I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna put a little dot.
Okay, like this?
Like right here.
Okay. Right here. Boop.
Now we're gonna do the V shape down. We're gonna go down here, and then on this side I'm gonna curve down.
Okay, like a smiley face.
Like a smiley face, yeah.
Maybe you can copy.
So now we're gonna do the front of his face. So from this open here, we're gonna go up, and I wanna stop right there.
Okay. This is gonna be fun.
And then on the other side, we're gonna do first one of his, this line is gonna be a little shorter and it's gonna be horizontal.
Okay.
So we're gonna go here.
It's kind of like a triangle.
Yeah, a little
Triangle.
short triangle, yeah.
Yeah, just with no line.
Good, perfect. Now we're gonna do the first fin, and it's again a V shape, and it's gonna go up a little, and I wanna do here my V shape.
Okay. Like this. Bam. Bam.
Good job. Now, in behind here, we're gonna do another fin, and we're gonna go with a V shape like this.
Okay.
Now, we're gonna do the tail. So for the tail, I'm gonna go back, and we're gonna put a little dot right here.
Okay. I'm gonna go back and put a little dot here.
Good. Now we're gonna pretend this line goes in behind the fin, and we're gonna join it with the dot. It's gonna go behind the fin, and I'm gonna go like this.
Like this?
Yeah. Good. Now we're gonna do kind of like a small V shape here. So from the dot, I'm gonna go here like a V, sideways V.
Like this?
That's the little tail. Yeah. And the other side of the tail is gonna come in behind, so I'm gonna do another V shape right here.
Okay.
Lots of V shapes.
Lots of V shapes.
Next, we're gonna go from the end of this fin, and I'm gonna go all the way up. It's gonna be a really long line. So I'm gonna tilt my paper. Vale, just 1 second. I'm gonna tilt my paper a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go up, and I wanna curve like this.
Okay. Not too fast, everybody.
Ooh, good job. Now we're gonna do the bigger fin and the top or in his back. I'm gonna go curve and then down. So
my favorite animal is a fox.
is it?
Yeah, my brother's is a shark.
Yeah.
And a snake. And some.
He loves the snakes?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do two little fins he has in between the tail and the fins here. So we're gonna just do two triangles. The first one goes here, it's little.
Okay. Little.
And then the second one goes here on the top.
Alright. We want to put it farther away like this. Here if you want.
Good. Now let's do the eyes. They're gonna be close to the top of the head, and then I'm gonna do an oval shape like this. So the oval shape is actually sideways, okay?
In the picture, it's big, so I'm gonna put my eyes big.
Good job. Now let's do one more oval shape, like again, kind of like a finger space, and we're gonna do the second one, exact same shape. Now we're gonna do another oval shape here, close to the end of the nose, and I'm going to fill it with black.
You want 2 nostrils?
2 nostrils. We're gonna do a second one right here, right next to the other one. Good. Now let's do one of the most important things in a shark. What is that?
The teeth.
The teeth. So he is gonna have a few teeth here at the end with a triangle like this.
Not so. I want to put mine like that.
And then we're gonna do another one here on the bottom like this. Now let's do one more next to this one on the top. Now one more, leaving a space here, right there. And the last one is gonna be here on the space that you have here. If you don't have more room, you can put one more here.
Yeah. Since I have a lot of room there.
Perfect. And the last thing we're gonna do to finish this character is we're gonna do 3 lines here, which marks the lines where he breathes through. We're gonna do the 3 lines here, and we're gonna go up, round, close.
I think they're a little bit bigger.
We're gonna do a second one, leave a space in between them, and we're gonna do the third one, leave a space in between them. And we're gonna fill them with black.
Your drawing doesn't have to be really perfect. Just try hard. Just try hard.
Try your best, right?
Yeah.
And there, that's it. We finished the shark that is part of the narwhal and jellyfish books. It's one of their characters. Jellyfish. And now my favorite part is coming, and that is
let's color.
Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our picture turned out. These sharks are super easy coloring. Remember, you can add here around some bubbles. You can add here some water. And you can use your imagination to finish your picture. So what do you think about it?
You can make like coral, seaweed, raw. I'm going to put pebbles.
Yeah, that will be a good idea.
And sea. I'm going to make like a town underwater or just bubbles.
Right. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.